Hello, I'm professional wallpaper installer Katie Hunt, and this is my new wallpaper collection. This is Remix Walls. Alright, so our walls are prepped and ready. Now we're ready to add the glue. So this is a non-woven wallpaper. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste the wall, and we're going to take the wallpaper right off the roll and apply it to the wall. Because we're going to be working directly off of the roll, this mural works from left to right. So we're going to start on panel number 1, and we're going to move all the way through the roll. Let's get started. So to soften the seams and to fuse them together, we're going to paste just a little bit over onto this roll. So for the top for trimming, we want to leave at least 1 to 2 inches. One of the benefits of having a non-woven wallpaper is not only is it breathable, but it's also wipeable. I love wallpaper. My whole house is filled with it. It could be soft as a texture, or it could be bold and beautiful as an accent wall. It is truly the most versatile tool anybody could use. This is my beautiful blooming collection. I wanted to take a modern approach on florals, and what a great way to do it with black, white, and gray. All right, John and Julia, it's ready.
Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Katie, you slam dunked this. This is so beautifully done. It's so whimsical.
Oh.
The room looks so much bigger.
It's like, just missing a baby.
Yeah, well, I brought Beatrice and we have a little news to break to her.
Yeah.
This is not her suite anymore.
This isn't your room, girlfriend.
We were especially drawn to this blooming wallpaper because of the whimsy and just the fresh feel of it. And the fact that it was available in a beautiful grayscale fit our space perfectly.
So blooming wallpaper is the perfect modern floral. I mean, how amazing is this in the grayscale with a beautiful white crisp background? Check out my beautiful wallpaper collection, available at remixwalls.com.